Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain what all the challenges we will face in terms of automation. So, for example, every organization having their own testing automation framework. So, due to the application complexity and many other reason, you will be facing many challenges. For example, you will be facing major challenge in test maintenance. So like you will be having doubt on the like how we can maintain our testing, uh, test test repository, all those things. So there are many solutions for it, like create accessible test data repository. So for test data, you can create a separate or like internal repository where like it will generate it, test data. So similar way, like use data driven framework for external data. So like for external data, if you have external data in your application to be utilized, in those cases like you have to create a data driven framework with the external data, so it might help a largest extent in your automation. So also you can implement a test data management strategy that includes data generation, manipulation, and cleanup. So these are the things you have to do, like in terms of test maintenance. This is a major challenge in terms of automation. So second challenges we will face in terms of flaky test, like some test will run properly on your local system. When it comes to CI/CD, so it might fail, right? So in those cases, like you have to analyze the root cause of the uh, instance, like for example, like where it is happening. So you have to analyze like for what reason it's happening, like due to the like browser size, or like there are many aspect into it. So like you have to implement a proper weight and synchronization. Sometimes that loading time will differs, right? Because of that also it might happen. So one more way is apply retry methods and monitor and resolve flakiness. Like there are many ways to handle flaky test, so you have to apply those. Retry method will like reiterate the same test cases. So those things you can do that. Also you can strengthen your locators, like sometimes due to locator issue it might be failing, right? So you have to provide the proper locator strategy, so it might not fail in the future. So yeah, these are the two main challenges when when it comes to automation framework. Further also we had many challenges. So one of that is identifying the right test automation tool. Like you might not be aware like which tools suit to your automation framework. So in those cases, like you have to analyze properly. So in those cases there are some parameters which might help you to deciding like which automation framework you will use. So for example, like you have to opt tools with a strong community support. If there is a community support, so that like if you face any challenges, they will help you out, right? Like you might be having proper uh, proper utilization of your automation framework. Like if something goes wrong also, they will come and support you. Like the community will give us the guidance. You will find many forums. Like for example, you might be using Selenium, so we have to use the Selenium forum, so that you will get the proper guidance. So it needs to be based on your testing. So some tools like you might have to integrate with external tools. For example, like you might be using Gmail facility, or like mailing facility, so that like you have to integrate your mail with your automation framework, right? For that you need an external library. So you have to check like what library will help you out and all. So yeah, these are the major things. Also we can validate through assessment and proofs, like you can check the proof in the Google. So you will get like what is the best automation framework, and like for which application it might help. So those are the challenges. So like what is the speed of the programming in terms of automating. So those challenges, like what are the major challenges, those also you need to check. So these are the three major challenges. So yeah, that's it for today.